Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the topic of special clothes in the chapter that is clothes we wear. So special clothes can be uniform, they are traditional clothes that are worn by different states, different countries, and uniforms that are worn by us and by specifically people who work in different professions. So those are the special clothes we are going to learn about today. So today's topic is special clothes and it is given on page number 83. So open your books on page number 83. So people who work in different professions, they wear special clothes or uniforms, and uniforms they give us sense of belongingness and pride. And for example, we as teachers, we have a uniform. For example, I am wearing the uniform of the school. When you come to school, you wear a special uniform for summer season. You have a special uniform for winters. Different schools have different kinds of uniforms of different colors, different fabric, material of the uniform, and even professions other than teaching have different kinds of uniforms. For example, a pilot has to wear a hat and they wear a white shirt and they wear fabrics of thick material, and doctors wear white coats, nurses wear white attire, they wear white clothes, so things like that. So uniforms, different professions wear different kinds of uniforms, and they are the special clothes. You wear a uniform in school so that you can be recognized as a student in your school. Special uniforms worn by people in different professions help us to easily recognize them. So just what we learned about today, that just like you wear uniforms in your school, it makes you easily recognizable that you are the student of your school, that you for example, different schools have different uniforms and they have labels of the school name, and so the uniforms they help us to easily recognize people of different professions or even students from different schools. So here some examples are given of different professions that have specific uniforms. For example, doctors they wear white coats and nurses they wear white uniform. Lawyers wear black coats. Soldiers, pilots and policemen wear special uniform made of thick fabric, and a factory worker they wear uniforms that cover their whole body from their neck to the toe, so that the fabric is sewn in a way that it does not get caught in the machinery that they're working with, so that they're safe. And sports players they have special uniforms. Different teams of sports have different kinds of different color of uniforms, different fabric the uniforms are made up of. And for example, the shin guards worn by football players protect the shins from getting injured. So the football players they wear shin guards so that their shins don't get injured. The helmet worn by cricket players keep their face and head protected from incoming balls. So, and even they wear knee pads and everything to protect their legs from getting hit by the ball and getting injured. So that is why special uniform is uniforms are made so that they can help us easily recognize the person of a specific profession, and also they give a sense of belongingness and sense of pride to us. And now here is a question: what is the color of your uniform? So now you have to fill in this question. So what is the color of your uniform? You are going to write it. Now we are going to learn about traditional clothing. Traditional clothing is or traditional clothes are the type of clothes that are worn in different countries or different parts of a country, different states. They are worn according to the tradition of the place and the climate of the place. So it is mainly, traditional clothing is mainly based on two reasons: the tradition of the place and the climate of the place. How the climate is it always hot, how is it always cold, is it extreme, is it harsh, or is it okay, is it moderate, so like that. In India we also have traditional dresses according to different states. So we live in India and we know that different states have different kinds of dresses, different traditional clothing. For example, in Rajasthan we have Ghagra Choli, and for example in Kerala people usually wear saris, silk saris, and if we go in Up in north, we go to Jammu and Kashmir, they wear firans there made of really fine, really nice material which keeps them warm during their harsh cold winters. So different states of even India, we wear different kinds of clothing based on our traditions and the climate of the state. So for example, some examples are given here. For example, the traditional dress worn by women living in Srinagar is called firan. Here even a picture is given over here in your book. So and the traditional dress worn by women living in Assam is known as mekhla chador. Now in each state there is a diverse style of clothing patterns that comes in different prints and colors. Now we talked about traditional clothing, but and clothes, different types of clothes worn in different states, but also in India we have different states, each state they have different types of styles, diverse styles. For example, block printing or some mirror work or some kind of special embroidery or some kind of special cloth material. So different states are popular for different materials, different styles. So now we are going to learn about that. Rajasthan is well known for its Sanganeri block printing. Underline this line. So what is Rajasthan very famous for? Rajasthan is very famous for its Sanganeri block printing. So a lot of you must also have some bed sheets or some clothing material, some curtains with that block printing. So 99% of the time in Rajasthan you find Sanganeri block printed bed sheets. They are very, very famous. And in Gujarat, mirror work is very famous on clothes. People sew mirrors on. So mirror work on clothing is very famous in Gujarat. They they have their mirror work on their ghagra choli. And in Punjab, there is this beautiful embroidery that is called fulkari on clothes. And that is all. So now we are going to revise about traditional clothing. So what are traditional clothes? The clothes that are worn by people of a state or of a country depending on the kind of tradition and depending on the climate of the place. And there are in India is also different states have different kinds of clothing, different traditional clothes. For example, women in Srinagar they wear firan and so that they can keep them warm during the harsh winters. Women in Assam they wear mekhla chador. And also just like that, in Rajasthan we know that women wear ghagra choli. In Gujarat women wear ghagra choli. In Punjab people usually wear kurta pajama. And also with the traditional clothing, each state in India also has diverse clothing patterns. So for example, in Rajasthan we have Sanganeri block printing design. In Gujarat, mirror work is very famous on the clothes, and in Punjab, the fulkari, it is a beautiful embroidery that is done on the clothes. So all these things are famous. Now you have to make sure that you revise this topic, and that is all. Thank you and have a nice day.